Morning, guys. Hey.
Yeah.
Hey. I know. What's up? Could I get a kiss?
Oh, there you go. Come on, guys. Get out there. No.
Ah, the rods. We out here again, making casts, going after them brownbacks. Clock's getting some action on the got 'em. I gotta get down there for you.
That's a solid chunk.
Yeah. Nice little wake me up, huh?
Nice little wake me up.
You feel me?
Oh, first one of the day. Let's go.
Bing.
On the two.
On the two.
He on the brownbacks. See how cold he is, man.
Dude. Oh yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Chilly. I would imagine that they are. I hope they are. From them gnats too. This thing don't come through the grass as easy. Either that or there's more grass here. So I was throwing that jackhammer last time. There's the duck blind.
Yeah.
There we go. He's fighting in that current, dog. No, it's a smallie, bro. It's a nice one. Yoink.
Bing, bing, bing.
There we go.
Boom, 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 boom.
Yes, sir.
Boom. Yeah, I knew you knew it. That's a beautiful one. Let me get a video. See, we paid it off, man. We had to take a little two mile walk.
Right, you just had to move down a little bit. They're still feeding. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Chatterbait.
Let me get a portrait real quick. Boom. Ooh, that board looking. Hopefully, pan on guys. That's a thick one. They're beautiful. And as always, let them go so they can go.
Bink!
Bro.
Yo, you guys seen? We on that smallie bites.
Man, he's beautiful, little guy.
Come on now. That jig. I'm about to pick that chatterbait up. I said I'd throw the jig until we start moving again. Then I throw that chatterbait to cover some water.
I got to throw that chatterbait.
Hey, bro. Hey, that one smacked it, bro. I haven't gotten bit on this jig neither, so. Oh. That changed. My drag wasn't set. He hasn't come up yet.
He said, boy, let's go, man. Come on, Illinois.
Dumped it, G.
Dumped it. Oh, yeah, that's not a bad one.
Is that a largemouth? No, it's a smallmouth.
Decent small.
Oh, he's got him.
Let's
Boom, baby.
Green work. Oh, that's another beauty. That's a quality here all day. Thick. Beautiful.
Chunky. She's eating.
Who the hell can Rob probably call him?
Gotta love it, everybody. Dumping the jig. I just said I wasn't getting bit on the jig. Oh, yeah, bro. Oh, yeah, bro. Oh, yeah, bro. They're on that bank, G. Oh my goodness, bro. Drag was not set again. Oh yeah, now on the jig. Come here. Come here. Right in the water. Another Illinois bronzeback. Pristine, gorgeous, right in the roof of the mouth, G. Beautiful fish. There we go, guys. Let them go, as always, so that they can grow. Oh yeah. Give me your face. Give me your damn face.
Pink sauce.
Dink.
Little chunk.
Chunky guy. On the black and blue.
Yeah, on the black and blue. Man, that's a man. God, that's a thick one right there.
They're just built different, man.
Man.
That's what it is. They're just built so different in here, bro.
That was a real cool catch. I'm not gonna lie, that was pretty tight.
And then you fucking start fighting them again. Here we go.
That's a good one, bro.
Ooh, that's a good one. Yes, sir. Get it.
Oh. We got him. We got him. That was a horrible one, but we got him.
We got him.
Whew.
Look at how he ate that.
Yeah, he smoked.
I'm talking fat ass. Smoked it.
He's on that grass or that sand out there. It's not.
He said.
You can tell they're not as dark by that grass over there. They're lighter over here, you know.
That one. Look at that. Come on, you can't beat that. Gorgeous fucking fish, bro. Yeah. Swam away healthy. Cast this around here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's a good fish too. That's a really good fish. That's a really good fish. I thought I was snagged up, dude. Jesus. All right. Let's see how we can get this guy. He's got one in him. Oh, he got himself hooked better. There we go. I think he's done. Get up here. How about that? Solid one. Look at that. Am I recording? Yes. Oh, shit, dude, that's a nice fish. That's probably a, I mean, he's hefty, dude. He's probably, I don't know, 3.5, 3 3/4. He's heavy, man. I'll take that. Nice fish. Let's let this guy go. There you go. You ready to go? Going. Oh my God, look at how close my phone was from fucking being gone.